Beat it, AT, what up? Beat it, AT, what up?
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew at Beat It AT Production and Publishing. In this video, I want to cook up a beat. I don't know what type of beat we're going to cook up, but what I do know is we're going to use our free sample pack, the Stimulus sample pack. Link to this free sample pack is down in the description down below. It's a 1.11 gigabyte sized sample pack on compressed, which gives you guys 34 different melody loop compositions, including their stems. So inside the Stimulus pack, you could see there's a bonus pack, and we have all these essentially product demos from our website. So we have 2 samples from the AT-RE Pop 2, 2 from the AT Hyperpop, 2 from the AT Baby to Baby 3. You get the point. So I figure we'll go through some of these and I'll pick one and then we'll cook a beat. So I'm kind of more in a trap mood right now. I feel like I've cooked up with this beat before. Let me change the tempo. I'm curious what it sounds like on different tempos. Alright, I might use this one. So as you guys kind of get the idea of how I'm structuring this, this is sort of how I view the beat layout. I don't know why I feel like I've cooked up with this beat before. Maybe Tony did. I can't remember. Or not this beat, but this sample. So I'm gonna grab some drums out of Enviral's Fractal drum kit. It's one of my favorite drum kits. I'll probably grab an 808 out of the AT Soundkit 6. All these sample packs drum kits can be found over on our website as well. Gonna add some percussion and some other elements to kind of fill out this beat. So I'm gonna pick out this 808 from the AT Soundkit 6. Something like this. We're gonna have to change the notes around, but we're gonna edit that. I'm gonna try different. Done. So after a little tweaking around, this was the 808 pattern that I came up with. So add some distortion to it. Let's add a Valhalla to that one thing. I might honestly switch out what I did here for like, maybe we do it like this. Here. These over, creating an automation clip for the master volume fader. We should probably add kicks in the second half of the chorus section.
Beat it, AT, what up? 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 Beat it, AT.
Alright, so I'm gonna look for a kick real quick.
Beat it, AT, what up? 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 Beat it, AT.
Alright, so I'm gonna add just a little maximizer. So yeah, I mean, this was just one of the 34 samples and loops and stems you guys get. Well, there's more than 34 stems, but you know, like there's 34 different melody compositions, this being one of them, and then there's stems of that. But you guys get the point. The free sample and loop pack, the AT Stimulus pack, is like 280 different files, 1.1 or 1.11 gigabytes in size. Available now, link in the description down below. If you guys like the samples we're giving you, then please support us by purchasing our sample packs, MIDI packs, drum kits, whatever. All of that goes to the team, which is able for us to continue working and giving you guys free content as well as learning materials and much more. If you guys enjoyed the beat making process, enjoyed the beat, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. The more subscribers we get, the more we drop free packs. You know, every 1,000 subscribers we get, we usually drop a free pack, but we know it's been a while since we dropped one, so we wanted to release a new one. So link to it is in the description down below. I'll play the full beat that I cooked up today. I'm going to do some slight mixing and mastering tweaks, then bounce it. And that's the final beat you will be hearing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.
Beat it, AT, what up? Beat it, AT.